Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making this delicious cheesy potato casserole, also known sometimes as funeral potatoes. I'm starting with 1 bag of frozen diced potatoes. You don't need to thaw them. I have 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Probably cream of chicken would work also. I have some sour cream. I believe that's a 16-ounce container. Some shredded mild cheddar cheese, and you will need some corn flakes. Also using a stick or 2 of butter. Okay, so I'm going to start it off by seasoning my potatoes a little bit with some salt, pepper, and then paprika. You can add whatever seasonings you want, some garlic, maybe that Lori's seasoned salt. I don't have measurements for this. I'm just doing it as I see fit. I apologize for my raspy voice. I'm still getting over some sort of respiratory infection. It's gone through the house, and now it's my turn to be sick. Okay, there's the paprika. Okay, so I'm going to mix all that together. All right, so I'm adding in my cream of mushroom soup. I know this isn't the healthiest recipe, but everything in moderation, and this is really tasty. It's good to bring, like they say, funeral potatoes, but to different family functions. I've been bringing it to a few different family functions myself. Obviously, you can make it at home as a side. I think something like this as a side dish is fine. So I'm adding the sour cream. Just adding in the whole container. The first time I had this dish was at one of my friend's house, and I think she had made it once or twice before I had tried to make it on my own, but I always thought this had potato chips in it, not cornflakes, and I didn't realize it was cornflakes until years later when I tried to make it on my own. All right, so I'm just mixing all that in. Just adding a little bit more seasoning as I go. Gotta add that pepper. I love pepper. I put pepper on everything. Okay, now I'm adding in the melted butter. I'm going to reserve some of the butter for later to add for the topping. Just mixing all this in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add in the shredded cheese. As I'm watching this video, I'm noticing that I no longer have this large Halloween bowl. Must have gotten rid of it in our move. So I had already greased my baking dish with my butter stick. So I'm just adding in all the mixture. I'm just going to spread it out evenly in the pan. I'm just going to add more cheese on top in a semi-even layer. Okay, now we're going to move on to the cornflakes. I'm going to put my cornflakes in this bag and crush them in the bag. That way they will be smushed up so I can put them on top. I don't want whole cornflakes on the top. And this will make our crust on the top of our casserole. I didn't catch it on camera, but after you put your layer of cornflakes, you can go ahead and pour over that extra little bit of butter to kind of help it melt down a little bit into the casserole. And I feel like it kind of helps them crisp up in the oven better too. Okay, so I'm just smoothing all that down before I put it in the oven to bake. We're going to put it in there and bake it until it's golden brown on the top and nice and crispy. Look how delicious that looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.